So let's look at this one. This is the 1995, model number 1995. You see it is 4-season. All their units are 4-season. So this will be a little bit bigger. As you come in the door, you have a big closet here. I'm assuming from these things there's supposed to be some kind of shelves. They just don't have them in there right now. Okay. And then you have some hanging space here for hanging your clothes, a couple drawers, right? And then a big cabinet down here. Just, oh no, you don't have a cabinet. There's your hot water heater. So you can't use that one. Your bathroom's right here. This looks exactly like the other bathroom. So the toilet is going to be perfect. I mean, it's just perfect with the door closed. So my height is 6'4". We are great and also Fluffy approved. A little vanity in here. You do have some space underneath that vanity. Okay, not vanity. Yeah, vanity. And then you have your mirror, which is actually in a good spot for someone. Well, yeah, I can see from about here now. So I just have to duck a little bit when I'm doing my hair. But you can put all your medicine chest and stuff in there, all your drugs inside there. Sorry. Again, this tight little corner shower, guys. I fit height-wise, but I mean, okay, so here's all the hoses and the mechanism that makes this thing work. Okay, so I can't go much further than here. And if you see where my arm is, I mean, it's going to be tight for somebody my size. All right, from a height standpoint, I'm okay, but I'm knocking it over too. So it's going to be a little. You're just going to have to spend a little time figuring it out. Okay. I'm happy because of the height, which always seems to be most of my problem, but.
And it is a curtain, so it's flexible, and it is tucked in at the bottom, so it's not going to splash water at the bottom.
Yes. All right. So you have this little galley-style kitchen. All right. Nice solid surface countertop, undermount sink. There's some cabinets here with pull-out drawers, which are nice. Right. Up above, you have one cabinet here with storage, and then your microwave is not hidden like it is in some of the rest. Okay. Here you've got your 3-burner stove. This one, by the way, only 45 grand.
Very
right?
nice.
Yep. And you do have your oven. Across from here, your dinette, which is very generous. It's pretty big. It converts down to be a bed. There are storage drawers underneath that pull out. Okay. And then the bedroom. So the bedroom does separate by a curtain. All right. So you have some privacy. As you can see, there is storage under the bed as well. Okay. It folds down. This is looks to be a residential queen. I don't have my tape measure, so I can't confirm, but I believe it's residential queen. Left and right, you have nightstands, power, USB, and 12 volt. Up here in the cabinets, both of these, there's some hanging space. And you have a little drawer down here on the bottom. Actually, it's pretty decent deep depth. And you have storage up top. There also is a TV, which I'll show you. It's right next to where I'm standing, so I'm just going to take this from Lisa. It's right there. And again, this will fold out and go in front of the freezer part of the refrigerator, so you can watch TV while you're in the dinette as well. JBL sound system. Okay. So, and then you got your refrigerator. And this opens right here on the side. This is also, this one's a 12 volt. Mm-hmm. So this one here has a 12 volt refrigerator. This is a Squire, so this is a different line of theirs. Okay, a little bit more of a price point, but I like the fact that they got the 12 volt refrigerator.
Right, I do too.
Yeah, yeah, the Squire.